It's delicious.
It's very nutritious and delicious and yummy and sweet.
Hello everyone! Welcome to our channel. Kami ang Greek-Filipino family na nandito sa United Kingdom. So, for today's video is, yung mga anak ko ando na sa eskwelahan. So, mamaya, doon sa aming karinderya, kagawan ko sila ng Filipino dessert na mais con yelo. So, kasi kagabi, habang nag-scroll si Jackie sa Facebook, sa Facebook ko, may nakita siya na yung mais con yelo na may kumakain na mais con yelo. Ang sabi niya, gusto daw niyang i-try. So kaya mamaya is gagawan ko sila ng mais con yelo. So tingnan natin kung magustuhan ba nila ang mais con yelo mamaya. So hope you like this video and enjoy watching.
Because you're the best.
Si Jackie, tinimplahan ko siya ng Milo.
That's really good.
Yan yung breakfast niya before go to school. Si Cassie naman, kumain lang siya ng cereal. So, breakfast muna bago pupunta sa eskwelahan. Si Pilya ayaw niyang mag-breakfast. Eat your sandwich.
No,
I have more friends than 5 or 4.
yeah.
No way, you don't use it. Use some of Jackie's cards.
Jackie, is it okay if I use all of your cards?
Say yes, of course.
Use like 4 or 5.
Say yes, of course.
Yes, of course. Yay.
But just make your own card.
Christmas cup ni Jackie, design niya. Ayan. 5 pounds. Sa eskwelahan nila. So, pupunta na sila sa school. Hatid na naman sila ng papa nila. At ako naman at ang asawa ko is pupunta na sa aming karinderya para magtrabaho. Makulimlim na naman. Uulan na naman mamaya. Araw-araw na dito umuulan. December na kasi. At lamig na. Tapos ulan araw-araw. Ito yung mais na gagamitin ko. Sweet corn in can. Tapos ayan, may condensed milk, may evaporated milk. Wala lang akong yelo. Ayan, na-mix ko na lahat. Tapos, nilagyan ko ng konting mangga. So, ayan. Mix ko muna. Tapos, dahil wala akong ice dito, iuuwi ito ng mga anak ko doon sa aming bahay. Tapos, doon nila kakainin. Kasi, uuwi sila mamaya-maya kasama ang papa nila. Tapos ako, dito sa karinderya namin maiiwan. Tapos may naman dalawang staff.
Yummy. It's good, not bad.
Eat the sweet corn as well. What do you say about it? It's very yummy and sweet. Okay. Anything else? What about you, Jackie?
It's really good, not bad.
Alright. I'm gonna try it for myself as well. I'm gonna try it. I tried this and it tastes very yummy. It has a creamy, sweet and crunchy taste. And it brings it all together. It has very lovely taste. I'm also gonna eat the ice after. Do you want to say anything else about it, Jackie? Tastes sweet. Okay.
And then what I
It kind of tastes like an apple though.
Apple. All right. That's not an insult, right? It's meant to be a
I
good
like
positive
apples.
one. All right. Since you're full of your I forgot the name of that. Tell me about it.
it tastes good. It tastes delicious.
Anything else?
And I put it to the top.
Okay, that's good.
My eyes.
Yeah, do you still want to say anything about the... I forgot the name of that. Whatever you want to say about it.
The Kling Klang, I don't know what it's called. I'm just going to call it Kling Klang for now.
I'll call it iced sweet corn.
The ice Kling Klang sweet corn is very...
No, iced sweet corn.
The Kling Klang is very yummy.
Say something more specific in the taste.
It's very nutritious and delicious and yummy and sweet.
The sweet corn in this is lovely and crunchy and sweet. It has a perfect taste to the mixture.
Yeah, show your face now.
At ayan, nagustuhan nila ang mais con yelo. So first time nilang natikman yung mais con yelo at nagustuhan ng mga anak ko. So, kakauwi lang namin galing sa karinderya. Yung mata ko pagod na pagod. Tapos naka-pijama na rin ako para mamaya-maya is matutulog na ako. Upo muna ako saglit bago matulog. So ayan, maraming salamat sa always na pagsuporta at sa always na panonood nyo sa aming mga vlog. Sa mga nag-subscribe na sa amin, super thank you sa inyong lahat. At sa mga hindi pa nag-subscribe, please isubscribe ninyo ang channel namin. And please like and share our videos. So maraming salamat talaga sa inyong lahat. So see you in the next vlog. See you soon. Bye-bye!